Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, we've got a pretty cool one for you guys. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger for the iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. So this is 15-watt fast charge. Let's give you a quick look around the box. You guys can see the specifications here if you'd like. So I'm gonna grab the little unboxing knife here and cut this right open, and we will take a look and see what is inside. Now I've reviewed a couple of these on the channel, and they're all a little different. So let's see what this one is all about. Pull out each little piece here, make sure we get everything out, nothing else in the box, a thank you card right there, and a user guide, which hopefully we won't need. So let's unbox this here. Let's see what we've got. So that is pretty big. Got a wall brick here, which is always nice. This looks like a USB-C cable, which is great. So glad to see people moving away from the micro and mini USBs to USB-C, so that is awesome. And then lastly here, we've got the little base station. So let's go ahead and put this together and I'll show you guys what it's all about. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these with these pins here, you guys can see, I'm just gonna set it right in here, kind of wiggle it into place. There we go. And then I kind of push this down a little bit for the Apple Watch. That looks pretty dang good. Looks just like on their box there, so this is likely how you do it. I do see a little LED there at the bottom. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see what it looks like. So I'm going to take the little extension cord here, plug this in, and plug this straight into their adapter that they included, which is fantastic. I am so happy that they did, because even Apple doesn't include wall chargers anymore. So let's plug this right in here. Boom. Just like that. We've got a red light right there, which means this is powered up. So now that this thing has some power, let's go ahead and take the iPhone here and set it on and see if it starts charging. There we go. Of course it does right there. So 88% charged. It is going strong. Let's go ahead and put the Apple Watch on top, and that's charging as well. And while that's charging, let's go ahead and grab the AirPods, and I'm going to set them right under here. And you should see, yep, there's an orange light indicating that it is all charging as well. So all three devices are charging at once, which is awesome. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera considering our angle here, but this is probably my favorite implementation of a 3-in-1 charging station that I've used so far. I really like this because this Apple Watch is going nowhere. It is sturdy up here. The phone itself is at a great angle so that you could set this on your desk and not have to worry about checking notifications. It's going to pop up right in front of you, no issues. And the AirPods are hidden away in the back. You don't really need to see those. So this is probably my favorite implementation so far. So let me break down how this sets up once again, because honestly, this is pretty genius. This can easily flip down if you want. Got your AirPods spot right here. The plug obviously goes here into the wall port. The LED is here, and this is for charging your phone. So yeah, this is easily my favorite charging station so far. It is so much smaller than the others, and you get 3-in-1 charging. So what's not to love about this? It includes everything needed to get charging, including the cable and the charging brick. You've got the device stand. I really like this. So let's go ahead and test it one more time. Phone, boom, charging up. Apple Watch, boom, charging up. And the AirPods down here, kind of hard to see, boom, charging up. So everything is good to go here, guys. Check this one out for sure. This is my favorite so far. Links down below in the description. Super inexpensive and easily worth the money. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.